Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cpget Nutrition. So today we will be discussing about the last year's Cpget Nutrition question paper 2025. So let us start with the first question. So the first question is, food pyramid serves as a guide to maintain dash. So obviously we know that the food pyramid mainly tells us about a balanced diet, right? It doesn't tell about fatty diet, delicious diet or spicy diet. It tells us about balanced diet. It tells us what are the various food groups that you are supposed to include in the diet. So the correct answer is balanced diet. Coming to the next question, which compounds are defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones? Okay, so here the correct answer is carbohydrates. Okay, because carbohydrates are defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. What are proteins? Proteins are amino acids in nature, right? They are made up of amino acids, whereas fatty acids are esters of lipids are esters of fatty acids and alcohol and enzymes are again mainly proteins in nature, right? So the correct option is carbohydrates, because carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. This is the basic definition of carbohydrates, right? Coming to the next question, name the polysaccharide that acts as a carbohydrate reserve in animals. Okay, so the main carbohydrate reserve basically is storage carbohydrate. It is asking about storage carbohydrate found in animals, right? So as we know very well that the main storage carbohydrate found in animals is glycogen, right? And glycogen is also known as animal starch. Glycogen is also known as animal starch, right? And also remember one more important concept, which is about starch. Starch is the storage polysaccharide found in plants. Okay, glycogen is storage polysaccharide found in animals and starch is storage polysaccharide found in plants. Next one. Next question, which of the following is table sugar? Table sugar is nothing but it is 99% sucrose. Okay, so your answer will be sucrose, right? Next question, egg white is abundant with which of the proteins? So basically it is asking which of the following protein is found in a higher percentage in egg white. So in egg white has different types of proteins. Okay, lysozyme is also found in egg white, avidin is also found in egg white, but the one that is found in a higher percentage, the primary protein is ovalbumin. Okay, ovalbumin is the primary protein or the major protein found in the egg white. Major protein in egg white. Okay, important concept. Next one, pernicious anemia is caused due to impaired absorption of dash. This is again a very important question frequently asked in the previous years, and here the answer is deficiency, impaired absorption of vitamin B12. Okay, pernicious anemia is actually a deficiency, a disorder associated with deficiency of vitamin B12. Next question, gluconeogenesis is defined as dash. So as you can see here, gluconeogenesis. So just try to break down the word and try to answer the question. Genesis means synthesis. Okay, the word genesis means synthesis. Gluco means glucose and neo means new. So basically gluconeogenesis is synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate compounds. Okay, so gluconeogenesis is nothing but when you are synthesizing glucose from non-carbohydrate compounds such as proteins or lipids. Okay, when you are producing glucose from proteins or lipids, that process is known as gluconeogenesis. Okay, next question, identify metabolic disorder associated with increased blood sugar level. Okay, so the metabolic disorder characterized by increased blood sugar is nothing but diabetes, right? Very well, we know this very well, that diabetes mellitus is characterized by increased levels of blood glucose. Next one, next question, ninth one, amino acids are dash. So what are basically amino acids? Amino acids are the essential amino acids are the ones that must be taken in the diet. Okay, you have to take them in the diet. Why you have to take them in the diet? Because they cannot be synthesized in the body. Okay, the body cannot synthesize them. So which will be the correct option? The last option, the fourth one, amino acids which cannot be synthesized in the body and must be taken in the diet. Okay, this is the correct option. Next one, gluten is present in pulses and cereal grains, mainly in the dash. So gluten is a type of protein, okay, and it is found in cereals and pulses. So now here it is asking in which part of the grain it is present. Okay, so now here the correct answer is in the endosperm. Okay, so the cereal grain cereal grain basically has three parts: bran, endosperm, and embryo. Okay, bran is the outermost layer of the cereal grain, outermost layer of the cereal grain. Okay, and endosperm is the middle layer. Okay, and endosperm is rich in starch and it is also rich in protein, right? And embryo is rich in fat and protein. So the gluten protein, it is found mainly in the endosperm. So the correct answer is endosperm. Next question, which of the following are basic amino acids? So basic amino acids are the amino acids which are alkaline in nature, right? So here the correct answer is arginine and lysine. Okay, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, these are acidic amino acids. Tryptophan, tyrosine are aromatic amino acids, and arginine, lysine are basic amino acids. So this is the correct option. Okay, so you have to go through examples of all the different types of amino acids: basic, acidic, neutral, aromatic, all those. Next question is very simple. Choose the vitamin that is fat soluble. Okay, we know very well that we have 4 fat soluble vitamins: A, D, E, K. These are the fat soluble vitamins, right? So what will be the answer? Vitamin A. Right, very simple direct question. Which of the following can be attributed to an enzyme? Okay, so enzymes are proteins in nature, this is correct. Enzymes are biocatalysts, this is also correct. Enzyme acts on specific substrate, this is also correct, but the last option has combined all the above options, so that will be the most accurate. Okay, enzymes are proteins in nature, they are biocatalysts, and also they act on a specific substrate. The last option is the accurate one because it is combination of all the above 3 options. Right, so I hope it is clear. Next one, what is the major health benefit from eating guava fruit? So first of all, guava does not have it is not high in calories, it is not a rich source of protein, okay, and it also is not rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. It has a small amount of unsaturated fatty acids, okay. The last option is the correct one. Guava has the ability of lowering blood sugar levels, okay, because of the fiber present in it. It has the ability to lower the blood glucose levels. Next question, the major protein present in wheat. This is a very simple question. We know that the main protein found in wheat is gluten protein. Okay, the protein found in the skin, hair, and nails is known as keratin. Skin, hair, and nails is keratin. Okay, the protein found in the skin, bones is known as collagen, and gelatin is the protein that is derived from animal tissues. From animal tissues. Okay, so protein found in wheat is gluten. Next question, the mechanism that plays a major role in maintaining body electrolyte balance is dash. So here the correct answer will be glomerular filtration. Glomerular filtration. So glomerular filtration is basically the ability of the kidneys, okay, by which the kidneys try to maintain the fluid as well as the electrolyte balance in the body. Electrolyte balance in the body. So here the correct answer will be glomerular filtration. Okay, so glucose homeostasis is a completely different thing. It basically refers to managing the blood glucose levels, okay, regulation of blood glucose levels. Carbonate bicarbonate transport, this is mainly involved in maintaining acid base balance in the body. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. The correct answer is glomerular filtration. Next question, which of the following vitamin is also called as coagulation or anti-hemorrhagic vitamin? So coagulation is nothing but blood clotting. So the vitamin responsible for blood clotting is vitamin K. Very simple and direct question. Next one, which of the following element is present commonly in cysteine and methionine? So cysteine and methionine, what are they? They are actually sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur containing amino acids. So the correct answer will be sulfur is the correct answer. Last one, to remove hydrogen peroxide used in sterilization of milk, which enzyme is applied? Okay, so now for removing hydrogen peroxide, we use the enzyme catalase. Okay, the enzyme used is catalase. And last 20th question, which among the following is iron storage protein? So the iron storage protein here is only ferritin. Okay, ferritin is the iron storage protein. Okay, so these are the first 20 questions of the 2025 last year Cpget nutrition question paper. We will continue the remaining questions in the next part. Like and share the video if you have found it helpful, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such useful content. You can also purchase our Cpget Nutrition Premium Rank Booster Mock Test Book, which contains exam focused questions, revision mock tests, grand tests, rapid revision notes, and much more. Email us at idiamariam2000@gmail.com for more information.